was me, Alex, and 3 of my mans, all supposed to meet at the Corova Milk Bar. The Corova Milk Bar couldn't afford its liquor license, so it sold milk plus drink or Synthemesque, which sharpened you up for a bit of the old ultra violence, which plagued our minds for the evening. And so, kiddies, death for all. Right.
Against a machine like rage. Bitches say I hate you, Cage. After circle jerks, I wash my hands off and do dirt. Sick with a smirk, plus happy to stir. Fuck the first 2 bitches like dogs, and I jacked off on the third. I'm obvious oblivion, but that's my science. Fuck your head up like cornrows put in by blind giants. Haven't been with it since the last corpse kidded. Wore a bloodstained smile and told the cop he did it. Of course, the most raw throughout the 914 10940. Got you be shook like Tom Morrow. Pour beer out for yourself because you're walking dead. I'll burn your house down like a fucking talking head, and get high like fuck and pick apart my brain. Dissections made mentally cause infections. Break you with inventions, sick intentions. Leave most MCs lost in my sentence. I'm strictly be on it back, come and get me. Hemo token left from a lick like a hickey. Leak smoke got me ready to murder a rookie. Killers on your block tucking they dicks like Tootsie. Come and witness what your shit miss. Watch the Glock kiss. Little sis wetter like a Baptist. Inconvenience, dilemma like sitting on Venus with no shuttle, treeless. Try and pick apart some major orange perception. Catch frontal lobe damage and not manage correction. I smell leak smoke left by the anonymous. Beats brought back to life die when I'm embalming this. Come around and get your ass shot to clusters. I'ma play the engines with the arrows, you'll be custards. Back, I ride up on ya. Divorce your head and neck and scalp it. Ripple for your flesh and make an outfit. Shaped coffin till stolen from the garbage I was tossed in. Instincts, snatching cream like links. Blow shotguns through the sky, making ETI shit. See me twist and leap with my peeps from psychiatrics. Get high, run up in your crib and fuck your moms backwards. Lost in the dust, don't give a fuck about dangerous. I'm in it for the whip, plus the cream in the head. Rush, ready to bust any trick that talks slick. Know a crew of devils in my